Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to go over an across the floor combo. So in this combo, I'm going to try to make it as many levels as possible, where you could either do about an advanced, beginner, intermediate level all the way to advanced. So this across the floor combo uses paddle steps, paddle turns, rhythm turns, riffs, and once it gets more advanced, I'll get into those steps as well. So there are a couple different ways to do this across the floor combo. I'm going to break them each down and explain them to you here. So if you don't know some of the steps in this combo, you can always go to my Tap Step Tutorials playlist, where I have a bunch of tutorials going over all different tap steps. So if you don't know a step, learn it in that from that playlist that is linked in my description box below, and then come on back to learn this across the floor combo. So the easiest, let's say this is the easiest level. We're going to start with the easiest level. So we're going to start, all of the levels start with 2 paddle steps and then a paddle turn that uses 2 paddles. So the paddle steps are going to be the slower version. They're going to go 1, 2, and then the paddle turn is going to use faster paddles. So it'll go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Once you finish your paddle turn, here's where it changes. So you can either do the easiest level, you're going to do back essence here on the left, and then a back essence on the right. And then here is where you can change it. So easiest level is to just do a 9, actually you're not even going to turn with the back essence, you're going to go straight across. And then you're going to do a 9 count riff on the left. And then right foot's ready to go to start again on the right side. So the easiest level here is paddle step times 2, paddle turn times 2 as well, back essence, 9 count riff, and then you would start again. So nice and simple, right? Then what you would do is once you get all the way across the floor, you would switch it to the left side. So then left side, here we go, paddle step, paddle turn, back essence, 9 count riff. And then again, paddle step, paddle turn, back essence, 9 count riff. So that's the easiest level, yeah? There's 1 turn, and then all the rest is just straight across. If you wanted to take it up a little bit and switch sides immediately after 1 time through, you would do this one. This is the next one here. So you would go paddle, step, like I said, they all start the same, paddle, turn. From here, this is where it changes. Back essence on the left, and then back essence on the right is going to turn you to face to your right. Okay? From here, let's see, from here, you are going to do a riff rhythm turn on your left side. And then you would start on your left foot to go back to the left. So the one main difference here is that you're turning this right foot back essence. So you're already partially into that turn, and then you're going to finish it with the riff rhythm count. And then left foot's ready to go. So the whole thing together would be paddle step, paddle turn, back essence, 9 count riff. And then you would start on the left foot, paddle step, paddle turn. Now here's where it changes here, because right foot's going to go straight back. Left foot's going to turn you to the left. And then rhythm turn is now riff rhythm turns on your right. Okay, so let's do those back and forth. I'm going to do it 2 times through, right side and the left side, and just go to the right and then to the left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Paddle, turn, back essence, turn, rhythm, turn, to the left, paddle, turn, back essence, turn, rhythm, turn. Woo, there we go. So here is the most advanced level that I'm going to teach you next. So yeah, I'd say that second one that I did there was about intermediate, advanced, beginner, intermediate. First one through was about a beginner level. So now here's the advanced. So we're going to start back on the top there. 2 paddle steps, paddle turn 2 times. 1, 2, and 1, 2. Here is where it's going to change it up a little bit. Instead of turning, going straight back and turning on the second one, you're going to kind of continue that paddle turn. And you're going to continue with the back essence on the left to turn and face towards your left. So now we're facing to the left, which is opposite of what we were doing before. So paddle turn on the right, complete a little bit more, about a half turn more with the back essence. Yeah. Da-da, da-da. So weights in your right foot here, you're going to do pickups, switching pickups with a toe. So you're going to do 1, 2, 3. You're going to do 4 of them. Right, left, ending on the toe on the left. So from here, you have, then you're going to go ball change left, right, crossing over, and then finish it out with a rhythm turn on the right. And then you start back at the top again to start back on your right foot. Okay, so let me go through that one again because that one's a little bit confusing. 2 paddle steps, paddle turn, back essence, pickups, and then ball, change, heel, heel, toe, toe. And then you start again. Paddle step, paddle turn, back essence, pickups. Oh, sorry, one more here. Ball change, rhythm turn. Okay, so that's the right side. If you were to do left side, we're just going to switch everything to the opposite side. So starting with your paddle steps on the left, you have 1, 2, paddle turn, back essence. So now your right foot back essence is continuing the paddle turn to face you to the right and then finishing off with the left. Weights on your left foot. You're now starting your pickups on the left foot, switching them 4 times. You have 1, 2, 3, 4. Ball change here, right, left. And then rhythm turns on your left. Left, right, left, right. And then you would start again on your left foot. This one doesn't change sides like the second version did. So trying that again. We have paddle step, paddle turn, back essence, pickups, ball, change, heel, heel, toe, toe. And then start again left. Paddle turn, back essence, ball, change, heel, heel, toe, toe. Oh, that's tiring. So with this one, you can choose your level. You can choose the beginner one, which is perfectly fine. And then you can also work your way up. So if you do choose the beginner one, then challenge yourself to the advanced, beginner, intermediate one. And then if you feel comfortable with that one, challenge yourself to the advanced one. This is a super fun across the floor combo to do. Interesting rhythms in it. And especially with music, it goes really well with lots of different songs. I'm out of breath. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe for new tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. If you have a song suggestion or a step suggestion that you would like me to break down or use a song for one of my tap dance choreography combos, Let me know down in the comments below. And again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.